Hi, my name is Leslie Santos. I'm here at Amaya's Collision Center. I am one of the receptionists here. So right now I'll be explaining the process of when vehicles are dropped off. When a customer drops off a vehicle, they'll either be going to me or my coworker to fill out a repair authorization form. We do get questions of what this form is for. It's basically you allowing us, giving us permission to repair your vehicle. That way we have it in writing.
Hello.
Hello, I'm here to drop off my vehicle.
Okay, can you please take a seat and fill this form out for me? I'll just need your general information, and if you are going through a claim, please fill out the claim information.
So it is important, if you have your claim number, to put it on here, or if it's going to be out of pocket, self-pay, that also would be important to know. That way we know which service advisor to point you in the right direction. Amaya's Collision is open Monday through Friday, 8 to 6 p.m. Open Saturday from 8 to 12, closed on Sunday.